Beading and sewing workshops were developed to enhance the community and fine-tune existing crafts and sewing skills to enable the crafters and sewers in their development of marketable income-generating products.
Making products from recycled paper, we can divide that in two processes. The first process is how to make the beads itself, make a good quality bead, and then the second half of the process is how to take that and make it into completed products. So whether it be key rings, earrings, necklaces, bracelets, things like that. So the first process is quite easy. You identify where can you find the material, what material is suitable, then how to measure, to do all the cutting, prepare the triangles, it's beautifully cut before you start rolling, to roll a nice tight bead, then securing it and varnishing it. But finally it all comes down to quality control. People need to be able to make good quality beads and to build up a bead bank. Now it takes a bit of time to build up a bead bank. For the people who do have discipline, who sit and who can make beautiful things, they will definitely reap the financial benefits.
In October 2013, Evelyn from the Basadi Rural Multi-Talented Ladies took their first stock to Pandora's craft shop in Groot Mariku.
See this one, I feel proud to do something like this.
Signing her first invoice brought to fruition a process that started several months ago, celebrating the sustainability of skills she has gained throughout the workshops. The Basadi ladies also attended sewing workshops at the Quiet Living Multi-Purpose Centre.
The aim is for them to be able to realize that they can produce something from almost nothing, maybe donated fabrics or just something they have in their house, to be able to sew and to be able to judge for themselves the quality that they can produce and make something that is reasonably good enough to sell eventually. We've brought 5 domestic sewing machines, and next time I hope to bring a domestic overlocker. I've given them kits with pencils, scissors, paper scissors, fabric scissors, needles, everything, cottons, some fabrics, even pattern paper so they can make simple patterns. We decided that we can make something for the creche, something for the kids to use to sit down on the floor when they're being read a story or something. So it's a floor mat for children. I gave them ideas of how to design something, maybe starting from a shape so the kids can recognize circles, triangles. That's how we started. And then with the fabric I gave them, they had to design how to put the fabrics together to give something colorful and attractive for the children. From there, I show them how to make simple patterns, and from there, threading up the machine, checking the tension, deciding what color thread to use, depending on the colors that they've chosen. I'm quite surprised that they've got so much enthusiasm for what they're doing. They've shown up every single day, and we almost could do with twice as much equipment because there were more people than I had anticipated that would come to the project.
Baby floor mats that were made during the workshops were given to 2 new mothers in the community.
Okay, also just an example how communities look after themselves. Something that you've made and you're giving back to the community, and that's the most important thing. We make stuff and we look after ourselves and our own community. So well done to moms with babies, and well done to the ladies that actually made these, because they are really very beautiful. Thank you very much.
Because they're from young ladies to older ladies, even young guys have come. And they're now surprised that they're getting a finished product within 2-3 days. They're just having the enthusiasm to say, oh, I can do something from just a few bits and pieces.